Ladies and gentlemen, do you desire to have shirts like this? Shirts like this? Or do you want to look as cool as this? But what are you waiting for? Call 080 subscribe right now. Press the button right there. Have you done it? Have you done it? Good to know. Welcome to another episode of Noah and Pop. Hey there, I'm Popo.
Hi, I'm Noah. Why do I sound like a pig?
Today we're going to be bleaching t-shirts and hoodies. We're going to show you different ways you can bleach your t-shirt. Yeah, 3 different ways. We have the spray method,
The nutting method,
and the painting method. Stick with us and
what just potentially destroy these things? Because I don't know what I'm doing. Never done this before actually, so
I've done it like twice or thrice, but then let's just get into it. So see you later.
bye. Okay guys, so first of all we're gonna need bleach. Ow!
You're going to need knots, so you can make knots.
We're gonna need some scissors.
You need a spray bottle for the spray method. And of course, you need a bucket. Then you're going to need a pair of hoodie or shirts that you don't wear anymore. Yes, let's get right into it. So, first off, you need to get your twine, then cut it into a reasonable length. So you have it like snipe. So this is the knotting method, and it's obvious. What you want to do is you want to take a pinch of your material, and then you take your stuff, your twine, and then you knot it round. You tie it there like that, round and round. You do it as tight as possible, and then you make a very, strong bow out of it. Great, so we have our first knot. If you don't have twine, you could use some thread. What you do is you take your thread and then you just knot it out. You take it like this and then you roll it into 4 places. Then you take it as normal and knot wherever you want to knot.
Like me, use old shirts.
So if this is your first time, I would advise that you use an old shirt, something that you're not wearing anymore. You just want to test it on it. That's what you should use. Good. So now that we're done with this, we can take it aside and go and bleach it now. You get your bucket, and what you want to do is you want to add some bleach. You should probably wear gloves for this, but we don't do that around here.
I could give you kitchen gloves.
Okay.
Are you gonna bleach my kitchen gloves?
No, so just when you add your bleach, you want to add some water, preferably warm water. So now you want to add some water into the bleach, preferably warm or hot water, so you can activate the bleach. Then you take your shirt and you dip it inside. Dip, dip, dip. Preferably don't use your hands. I'm gonna look for something. We have a paintbrush, so you just take it and swirl it around inside and smother it all in there, and then you leave it for some time. So while we do this, Noah is going to come and test out the spray method.
Get here, me, and I'm actually doing the spraying method, but I came up with this random idea that I want to tie some parts first, so that they're gonna be very, very not sprayed. I don't even know if that makes any sense, but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna tie. Why is my life like this? That is not enough twine, but it is what it is. You know what? I'm just gonna do this and act like I've done something great. Don't judge me. Do not judge me. Okay, go. Twine is coming apart as twine does. That's one in the middle. moving on. So we have some, what they call this, water. What do they call this? Water in a spray bottle, and we're just gonna take some bleach and, you know, use the discretion of our great grandmothers to add it. So let's go. That seems like way too much bleach. Anyways, then you have to close your spray bottle. I sound like all those people who are like, I'm now going to put the pepper in the food. Like, bro, we can see you. We can see you. You don't need to describe how you're gonna. Anyways, you close the spray bottle. As you do, make sure not to spray it anywhere near your extremities or open orifices like your mouth or eyeballs or other parts of your body that might be open for reasons I do not want to know. And remove. Please don't ruin my shirt. I'm destroying this table. I pay money in this house. And I'm just gonna flip it over. Flip it over, right? Okay. Bleach smells. Oh, I did not expect that. And continue to spray. I feel like I look very aggressive for someone who. I just cleaned this table this morning. I just remembered. Oh. Okay. One more time for the. Oh. Okay, I see what you're doing. I think this bleach is enough. I don't know why I keep adding more bleach. Anyways, this is what my shirt looks like now. It's not actually that bad.
So I think you just have to leave it for some time.
It stinks though.
And then wait for, you know, you leave it for some time, and when it's bleached to your satisfaction, you go in and you wash it immediately.
Our clothing items have finally reached like the desired colors, even though this one is being really rude. But this is now red, if you can see it properly. I don't know if you can see, but it's red, quite red. And this is the pattern on my shirt that I took a lot of time to tie, and it's copper, bronze, brown, I don't know. And then we're just gonna take some, I didn't even know it was liquid, sorry, I was surprised. We're gonna take some soap and wash it. We'll show you guys what it looks like when it's dry.
Okay, so you take your already bleached material and you just toss it into the washing machine, and we wait to see what happens. So it's finally done.
Absolutely stunning, never been done before. Anyways, so guys, my washing machine has finally stopped spinning and it's finally done washing, so we're gonna get it out. Well, first thing I see is red, brown, I don't even know what color it is, because this later. And then this is my shirt, and we're just gonna dry them. Oh no, we actually have to take the twine off and then we're gonna dry them, so let's go take the twine off. Beep.
Okay, so we're about to cut the knots on my shirt, and I think I kind of like the pattern. We cut the knots, let's see.
Well, you could have let me figure out how to do this first. Threaded.
To be honest, I actually like the design. I think, you know, it's simple, it's a fun activity you could do at home. So let's turn the back and see. It also works in the back. And for the final piece,
oof, this is the most exciting one.
So we have Noah's outfit.
Give me. I shall do this on my own. This is my shirt, in whom I am well pleased. That took a long time. on. It took me a long time to come up with the idea of this knot, approximately 30 seconds.
I love this.
Oh, I like it. Okay, no, I really. Oh, there's twine everywhere. Anyways, y'all, this is what it looks like.
I really love the pattern. Like, it's so beautiful.
And the random spots.
Yeah, the dots there.
I am proud of myself. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes, yes. Oh, I can hear the fans. You're welcome. You're welcome. The back.
The back also has the pattern. So I think this is the best one.
I like the back.
Yeah, this is the best one we did.
I wish the back was the front. Because of this thing and this thing.
This is the best one we did. This is the best one.
Guess who is finally gonna be wearing a crop top? Oh, no, see, when you look at it, it doesn't look like a crop top because it's long, right? When I wear it, it's literally up to like here.
Okay, so we just finished making our shirts, and as you can see, we're wearing them. And to be honest,
I feel bougie.
no, I really like my shirt. Like, I really, really like it.
I'm a savage.
So heads up, in case you actually did enjoy the tutorial, please don't forget to, you know, comment something in the comment section, like the video, subscribe, and share to your friends that might want to make shirts like this.
And also, hey, maybe you could actually make a cool shirt.
I know,
it's
right?
Really nice.
And if you do make any shirt and you want us to see it, you can tag us on Instagram. We're going to have our, you know,
social media.
Our social media
just like
somewhere around here.
Your face. It's just like, hi.
Have a nice time. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.
Be safe.
Be safe.
Mwah.
Welcome to Noah Popo. I'm gonna cut that part out. Just
like at the end.
Yeah, I know.
Goodbye.
Binge out other videos. They're fun.
We have a lot.
I know.
Watch all of them. We're all in quarantine. I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, sassy, moody. I get stupid. What's happening? It's just happening. I'm a savage. What's your problem? Go away.